Are you looking for a property and are too tired to do physical site visits? Well, you're right at the right destination, and this is Property Cloud. And what we do for you is that we do virtual site visits for you. Matlab, you don't have to travel to the site physically. All you need to do is just take a look at these videos and we will show you the whole project. When I say the whole project, I mean today I'm also going to show you the work that is in progress and the work that has been completed. But of which project? Stay tuned and I'm going to tell you where I am today. I am here at Skyline Business World. This project is located right next to T2. That is, it's going to be hardly 5 to 7 minutes if you drive down from T2 Mumbai International Airport. Not just that, it is located very next to the Marol metro station, and Western Express Highway is only 15 to 20 minutes drive from this place. Now, these are not the only reasons why you should invest at Skyline. I'm going to tell you why. Stay tuned. And here are the top 10 reasons why you should invest at Skyline. A-grade commercial development, smart-sized boutique offices starting from 390 square feet onwards, excellent connectivity like we just talked about, MNC-like amenities, established infrastructure, great return on investment, positive demand for commercial property, high capital appreciation, high rentals, and also upcoming world-class development. Now, if this information is not enough, wait for more. I'm going to tell you the work in progress, the work that has been already completed, and also a lot more. Stay tuned with me. Skyline has been already very famous for their commercial projects. What could be the other reasons why you should trust and invest at Skyline? Let's take a look. 30 years of experience, in fact more than 30 years of experience, 9 and above projects delivered, more than 2,000 happy families already living with Skyline, and 15 lakh plus square feet area has already been delivered. Now, if this is not enough, then what is? Tower A has already been completed and delivered to multiple MNCs that you can already see over here. It has been leased to multiple MNCs like Vodafone India, to Mahindra Holidays, Prashasti Developers, Indus Towers Limited, and multiple co-working spaces as well. And now I have reached the construction site. I want you to stay with me so that you can see कि exactly construction kitna complete hua hai, what is the WIP, that's the work in progress. Let's take a look at it together. The construction has been completed above plinth level, podium level is ready. That means it's more than 30%, so around 30 to 40% of work has been completed. And there's going to be Tower B and C right over here, out of which B will be available for outright and C would be available for leasing purpose only. And now if you want to know how can you invest your business at the right place, this is the right place that you've arrived to, Property Cloud. As I told you that you can do virtual site visits at this place. Now that you've seen it virtually, you need to come and visit it physically as well. It's simple. We have mentioned the link right over here in the caption. All you need to do is just simply click on the link and we will guide you through the rest without any worries. Also, if you have any more questions, do let us know in the comment section and subscribe to our channel so that you can watch more such videos. Thank you.